Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can fix the situation when the incoming call in WhatsApp app is not displayed on the screen of your device. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write your comments, and let's friends we are going to get into this topic. So, if you have such a problem that your iPhone screen does not show incoming calls in WhatsApp, then I will show you how you can fix this situation. First of all, go to the phone settings on your iPhone and then scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Open it. Next, go to the notifications option here. And if you have them, let's say completely turned off, like I do now, then you'll need to turn them on, first of all. Secondly, make sure that you have both sound and vibration active. Also, friends, make sure that you have notifications on your iPhone activated in all areas, that is, both in banners, so in the notification center, and on the work screen. After that, friends, I recommend you to go to the WhatsApp app as well. Then go to Settings here, select Data here. Next, when you open this option, here you need to make sure that you have all the data active. That is, acquire attention especially on, for example, saving media and everything else. I mean, it's important that everything here is active. Please look at all your settings and turn them on if you have something, let's say, turned off. After that, friends, if that doesn't fix it, I recommend you reboot your device. In order to reboot your iPhone, you will need to press the power button on the right side and the top sound button on the left side. Press on them at the same time. Wait until you get a screen like this and swipe this button on the right side to turn off your phone. And after rebooting, friends, I think the situation will be resolved and fixed. In this way, friends, you will be able to fix the situation when incoming WhatsApp calls are not showing on your iPhone screen. I hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Don't forget to please subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments. Be sure to put your likes. Goodbye.